This is a possible answer for the coin problem. So our job here is to find which coin it is given these input values. You can see the explanation of this in a separate video. Let's just dive right in. So what we need to figure out inside of here is we need to figure out if a coin matches. So we'll start really simple. Let's start with just one type of coin. Let's see if this is a penny. So if, let's see, the weight is within 3%. So I guess we can figure out what the lower bounds of that is. So let's say that the lower penny is here is, let's make weight 2 because we'll have a couple of these. It's going to be the penny weight here. Now, notice in our solution here, we're given the static import, so we don't have to put the interface name in front of all these, just to point that out here as we're solving this. And so if you've never seen that import static inside of there before, it allows us not to have to put coinstats.pennyweight in front of, and so on and so forth in front of each one of these. So the penny weight inside of here is going to be times 3% less than that. We can just cheat on that and put 0.97. So there's 3% less than that. And then we can say double upper penny weight is going to be equal to the penny weight times 1.03. That's 3% above what the penny weight is, right? And so if the weight of this coin is less than the lower penny weight, all right, and it's the weight of the coin, is greater than, if it's greater than, is right here, the lower penny weight, or it's less than the upper penny weight, then it might be a penny, okay? If not, it's unknown, so we can run with that. So if it's inside the range of a penny weight, we're good there. And then we can check the diameter. So let's say up here, double lower penny diameter is equal to the penny diameter times 0.99, because it's only 1% variance inside of there. And then the upper penny diameter is equal to the penny diameter times 1.01. So that's our upper limit inside of the penny inside of there. And so if that's true, then we can check after. If that one's true, then we can say if the diameter is less than the upper, and we'll just kind of do this a little bit differently than I did the other one, just out of variety's sake. And the diameter, and I didn't spell that first one right. Diameter. I forgot the E there. And so if it's upper and then it's greater, so it's less than the upper and it's greater than the lower diameter, then at that point we can return it's a penny. But otherwise it's an unknown. All right, so there's one quick test inside of there. And let's stop having done this and see if this works. So we can go to our test here, and the first one inside of here should be a penny. So the penny is of type 0, so this one should come back true, so we should be fixing one of these inside of here. All right, so let's see if we can get that first one to run properly. So we run it, and indeed, the first one now is identified as a penny. So there's our quick code right inside of there, and it gives us a nice little pattern here. Because logically speaking, if our penny is between the upper and lower weight of the penny, and it's also between the upper and lower diameter of a penny, then it possibly could be a penny. Okay, so we'll pause here, and then we'll continue on and continue the solution, but here's the first step for solving our problem.